I remember standing in the appliance aisle, completely overwhelmed. I had just ruined an expensive salmon fillet in a cheap air fryer that basically turned it into jerky, and the salesman kept pushing a $3,000 steam oven as the ultimate fix. I walked out empty-handed and frustrated. Well, you know how confusing appliance marketing gets, so today I am breaking down exactly what separates a steam oven from an air fryer. I will show you which one actually fits your cooking style so you do not waste your money. The core mechanisms and how they actually work. An air fryer is not really frying anything at all. It is essentially a miniaturized convection oven built for extreme intensity. It uses a heating element placed right next to a highly powerful fan. This fan blasts superheated dry air around a small cooking chamber. Because the physical space inside the basket is so confined and the fan is so aggressive, the heat transfers into your food rapidly. You get a massive amount of dry thermal energy hitting the surface of your meal all at once. This forces the moisture on the surface of the food to evaporate almost instantly. Now look at a steam oven. A steam oven takes a completely different approach to manipulating temperature. Instead of bombarding your food with aggressive dry air, it introduces controlled humidity. These ovens feature a water reservoir or a direct plumbing line that boils water to create steam. They pump that hot moisture directly into the cooking cavity alongside traditional baking heat. Instead of stripping moisture away to create a hard crust, the steam oven wraps your food in a blanket of hot vapor. This allows the heat to penetrate deeply and evenly without aggressively drying out the exterior of your meal. You know, it's the difference between standing in a dry desert wind versus sitting in a hot sauna. Both make you sweat, but the physical experience is entirely different. Texture and taste and what it means for your food. The air fryer is the undisputed king of the crunch. Because of that rapid moisture evaporation I mentioned earlier, an air fryer triggers the Maillard reaction beautifully. This is the chemical reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars that gives browned food its distinctive flavor. If you want French fries that shatter when you bite into them, or chicken wings with skin that snaps like glass, the air fryer delivers. However, this aggressive dry heat has a major downside. If you are not paying close attention, an air fryer will absolutely suck the life out of lean proteins and delicate vegetables. It turns broccoli into dust and chicken breasts into chalk if left in for just 2 minutes too long. A steam oven gives you the exact opposite result. The primary benefit of cooking with steam is moisture retention. When you cook a piece of fish in a steam oven, it comes out incredibly plump, tender, and perfectly flaky every single time. It is practically impossible to dry out a chicken breast when you are cooking it in an environment surrounded by heavy vapor. Steam also does an incredible job of preserving the cellular structure and vitamins in vegetables, leaving them vibrant and snappy rather than shriveled and sad. Furthermore, if you love baking artisan bread, a steam oven is the ultimate secret weapon. The moisture keeps the dough flexible during the first few minutes of baking, allowing the bread to rise massively before forming a perfect bakery-quality crust. The downside is that a pure steam setting will never give you that deep-fried crunch. You can get things beautifully roasted, but you will not get that air-fried shatter. Cooking speed and daily convenience. When it comes to getting dinner on the table quickly, the air fryer has a massive advantage. Because the internal chamber is so small, an air fryer requires zero preheating time. You simply drop your food into the basket, hit a button, and the intense heat starts working immediately. This makes it an absolute lifesaver for busy weeknights. You can take frozen mozzarella sticks or a handful of Brussels sprouts and have them perfectly blistered and ready to eat in 12 minutes flat. It is immediate gratification cooking. Steam ovens demand a bit more patience. Water takes time to boil and turn into vapor. Even the fastest countertop steam ovens need a few minutes to get the humidity levels up before they actually start cooking your food. Built-in wall steam ovens take even longer. The cooking process itself is also gentler and more gradual. You are not going to blast a meal into submission in 10 minutes. However, the convenience of a steam oven shines in a completely different way. It is the greatest reheating tool ever invented. Microwaves destroy the texture of leftovers by heating the water molecules unevenly, making pizza crusts chewy and meats rubbery. A steam oven reheats a plate of pasta or a slice of roast beef by gently reintroducing moisture. The food comes out tasting exactly like it did the moment you first cooked it. Size, space, and installation reality. You really have to think about the physical footprint of these appliances before bringing one home. Air fryers are generally compact and designed to live on your countertop or get shoved into a pantry closet. They are basically large plastic pods. While they are not usually the most beautiful objects to look at, they are highly portable. If you have a small apartment or very limited counter space, an air fryer makes sense because you can hide it away when you're done cooking. Steam ovens require a serious commitment of space. Countertop steam ovens do exist, but they are generally the size of a very large microwave. They are heavy, they dominate your counter, and they are not something you want to move around frequently. If you are looking at a built-in steam oven, you're talking about a permanent kitchen renovation. You need dedicated wall space and a dedicated electrical circuit. If you choose a plumbed model, you also need a contractor to run a water line directly to the unit. It becomes a permanent architectural feature of your home rather than just another gadget. The price tag and what you are really paying for. The financial difference between these two appliances is massive. Air fryers are incredibly accessible. You can walk into almost any big box store and pick up a perfectly functional model for $50. Even the high-end, massive capacity air fryers rarely cost more than $200. They are cheap enough that if you use one intensely for 2 years and the heating element dies, you can simply toss it and buy a new one without feeling terrible about the financial loss. Steam ovens are serious financial investments. A basic countertop steam oven will start around $300 and can easily push past $700 for premium brands. If you are looking at built-in wall units, the price tag becomes completely different. You are looking at a starting price of around $2,000, and luxury models can easily exceed $4,000 or $5,000. When you buy a steam oven, you are paying for sophisticated moisture sensors, complex water boilers, and heavy-duty insulation. It is a long-term purchase designed to last for a decade or more. Maintenance and cleaning. Cleaning is the part of cooking that nobody actually enjoys talking about. Air fryers are notoriously annoying to clean. The intense dry heat tends to bake grease and oil directly onto the sides of the basket and the metal heating element. While many baskets claim to be dishwasher safe, putting them in the dishwasher repeatedly will eventually strip the nonstick coating. You usually end up scrubbing the grated basket by hand, trying to get old food particles out of the tiny metal crevices. Steam ovens present a completely different maintenance challenge. Because they cook with water, grease does not bake onto the walls in the same way. After cooking, you can usually just take a microfiber cloth and easily wipe the interior walls clean. The moisture loosens all the grime for you. However, you have to deal with the water system. If you live in an area with hard water, you will have to descale the boiler system regularly to prevent mineral buildup. You also have to wipe down the interior perfectly dry after every single use. If you shut the door on a damp steam oven, you will quickly cultivate a massive mold problem inside your very expensive appliance. Which one actually wins? The right choice depends entirely on what you value more in your kitchen. If you prioritize speed, you love crispy textures, and you are cooking for just 1 or 2 people, the air fryer is the obvious choice. If you are passionate about the actual craft of cooking, you care deeply about retaining nutrients in your vegetables, and you want to bake incredible breads and perfectly flaky fish, the steam oven is unmatched. It fundamentally elevates the quality of the food you produce.